In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove an image background using Canva. So all you need is to start by going to import the image, assuming this is the image that I want to remove this background completely using Canva. So all you need is to come over here and drag and drop that image into your Canva account. You can see it in here. Let's click to open it. And to remove the background of the image, you can open it in editor. Now once you select the image, you can see BG remover, which is the background remover, so you can click on it and you can see it has removed the background of the image directly. Okay, so we can do the before and the after. So let's see the before. Can you see the background? And let's do the after. Okay, it has removed the background, leaving you with a very clear image. Now let me remove the background of another image as well. So I can click on this plus sign to add another page. I have this image of this smiling kid. Okay, so let's say I imported it and I can increase the size. Right, so I can select it, go to BG remover, and let's see whether it is going to remove the background at all. And you can see fantastically it has removed the background with very clear precision, and the edges are very perfect. If you like, now you can generate a background and you can add any color of your choice, or if you have any background somewhere, you can just bring it in and you can see it is very clear and very sharp. You can export your image also by coming to download. From share to download to PNG, specify the page, assuming I want to do current page, and then say download. Now you have downloaded the image that you have just to remove the background and replace with something. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.